Java, more like script, is a high-level dynamic scripting language with single-threaded garbage collector interpreted or just-in-time compiled prototype-based multi-paradigm and non-blocking event features famously used for building websites and making web pages alive. It was created in 1995 by Brandon Ike. It is well known for its feature-rich environment, frameworks, and its ability to build front-end and back-end applications. Also, it is the only language beside WebAssembly that is natively supported by all web browsers. Although JavaScript was created to make websites interactive, but it is also currently used to develop mobile apps in React Native or Ionic, desktop apps in Electron, NodeGUI or NW.js, do backend or server-side web development in Nodejs, and to develop browser-based games. First of all, you need to create a file with .html as its extension. Now, JavaScript can be written in two ways, inside your HTML code or as an external .js file. This line with double slashes mean it's a comment. It will be ignored during the execution of this program. The console.log function down here is used to print hello world to the console. Inside your HTML code, our hello world program would look something like this. To link your external JS file in your HTML, modify the code like this. If you want to add two numbers, then create a variable with constant keyword so that their values cannot be changed during runtime. Sum them using the addition operator and print the result to the console. Similarly, if you want to find a number is odd or even, then take the input from the user using the prompt function. Use the if statement to control the flow of your program by setting a condition where if the modulo of 2 equals to 0, then the number is even, otherwise it's odd. This has been JavaScript in 100 seconds. Hit the like and subscribe button for more such short videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.